Hello to all my hygienist friends. I am going to show you something that you all have been asking for a very long time, okay? A bleeding all button in your Perio chart. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it. This was launched back in October, end of October 2024. So if you open up your Perio charting, the first thing you want to make sure of is that you have this data entry panel over here on the right side of your Perio chart. So if you don't have the Perio panel, the data entry panel open, just go up to view, click on the Perio panel, and it will bring it into view. Okay, so then when you're ready, when you're charting and you want to select like the whole entire upper arch, you can, it's kind of like snipping tool or screen capture. You're just going to grab like the whole entire upper arch. See, it highlights the whole upper arch. And then over on the data entry panel, you have interproximal bleeding. So if there's bleeding all throughout the interproximal, you can click on the little little boxes over here. It'll put bleeding in all the interproximal sites. If there's bleeding everywhere, just also click on the center button over here on the Perio data entry panel, and it'll put bleeding on all the sites, okay? If you want to just do a quadrant, you can just grab and grab just a whole quadrant and do it if you want to. You could just grab like maybe 3 teeth or 4 teeth and do it that way. But the nice thing is that you don't have to double click on individual sites anymore in order to get bleeding throughout the entire mouth. So I had to show that to you guys because I know you've been asking for it for a very long time. So let me know what you think in the comments. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You'll get lots of other videos about how to optimize your Dentrix software. If you want more than that, subscribe to my podcast. If you want even more than that, then schedule a discovery call and see how we could work together. All right. Ciao. Have a great day.